So I am officially 35 weeks. Check out the video of how I installed this hair, and I parted it too wide. Anyway, even if I didn't want to do this, well, newborn clothes, baby clothes, hospital bag been packed as late as it is. Thank God for hand-me-downs. I think the older brothers never wore this one and this one. But my favorite part of the hospital is that one from the oldest brother, the first brother. Started straight out of mommy. Then this says started from the belly. Now I'm here. It was big though. It was big for them. And the second brother, which is that one. What this? I just did 9 months on this side. Boys' clothes are so easy to pack. Very easy. Just pick this one, pick pants and socks, and that's all. Now we need a dresser. Because we don't have a dresser yet, we'll just put something here for newborns, just in case baby decides to show up early. And a lot of hand-me-down clothes from the oldest brothers. The older brothers. Sorry about the noise. So yeah, all this. All right, baby. These are all your clothes. Oh look, that one is nice. We'll take that one to the hospital. At least something that shows blue, because all these ones are just neutral color, unisex clothes. I'll take this one to the hospital, and that will be it. Since now I know better, this particular hospital gives diaper and wipes. You know. Your daddy is in the room. They're doing hide and seek. No, your daddy is in our room.
Oh!
Yes, go and look for him.
This?
No, in mommy and daddy's room.
Yeah.
The baby girl's clothes already overpassed this. Therefore, we'll be getting a whole dresser for her and moving all this out, then put the newborn clothes on them. We're gonna do newborn, then 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months, and get it out of the way. That's what we're gonna do. We'll get a whole dresser just like that's for the oldest brother, and that's for the middle child. So, belly bump. I feel like I want to pop already. I feel like I want to pop. I don't know if I'm coming down with something, but I feel really sick. I feel sick. Let's go see baby girl is still sleeping. Feel so weak and tired. No, just sleeping. Oh, she's up. I know they woke you. They woke her up with their noises. Now, what do we do with this crib? We have a whole 12 months old, 1 year. For now, once the baby arrives, baby will have to sleep in bassinet until figure out the sleeping situation. No. So where would you sleep if you don't want to sleep there? Baby has to sleep on the bassinet for now. And there. And chill there sometimes. Yes. Or you can join your brothers in their room or get your own room. Alright. Look at us twinning with our hair color. Ava is 12 months and 2 weeks. Yes. Someone's gonna be a big sister. And then she plays with balls instead of that. See? She's probably going to pick up a ball. Look, you should play with babies and teddies. My favorite is carrying pencil. Alright, baby boy. I'm gonna pack your bags and then we'll see you next month, because this is 26 November. This is 27 November. So 26 we'll be going for either induction or C-section or whatever it is. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I'll go for my ultrasound and then we'll know if the placenta has shifted up a little bit. You know, so they can clear me for vaginal delivery instead of C-section. Yes, Eva. Don't close the gate. This is one smart baby. We're no longer scared as long as someone is here. She goes there and closes the gate instead of trying to fall. Thank you, Ava. Good job. Good job. Yay. You're so proud of yourself. Thank you, Ava. Thank you. Thank you for closing the gate. Now come and change your diaper. All right. Good job. Okay, we'll see what the doctor has to say tomorrow. And then Wednesday, we'll see my OBGYN. And I'll pack my own bag, put my breast pump and all that stuff, all the extra stuff. I won't be making a video of that because I'm tired. 3K too. Okay, they're back. Oh, I still have 1 minute of space. Look at baby. This is embedded in the placenta. So we'll have to wait for the doctor to come tell us tell me my fate. And what am I saying? Heart rate is 142, 143. Baby is 5 pounds and 7 ounces, so 5.5 pounds in my hair. 5.5 pounds. I already knew that felt like 5 pounds. And here I keep getting 35 weeks and 4 days, but I'm actually 35. This one is showing EDD for December 29, whereas my actual EDD is January 2nd. What else am I not updating? We'll know how far with amniotic obstetric, it's a gynecologist people. Thank you. And that's baby's face. Look at that nose. Nose and lips. And the head size is normal. Okay, wait for the doctor. So we're swabbing and doing tests today. All those last swabs and tests. I don't know, like this part. Yesterday after ultrasound, I was already cramping. My nails are already getting. I'll paint them blue. I'll do blue nails before labor and delivery. Okay, so this is my last blood work from my doctor's office. And then instead of coming next week, I was like, why not in 2 weeks? Because I don't really have anything going on. So we'll be back in 2 weeks. After 7 weeks, I'll be induced on the 29th, 26th of December if I get a date. But she has to verify. Stay tuned. Actually, this is all. Bye-bye. We'll give blood. I hate blood work. And then we did the GBS swab, so we'll see. If that's positive, they'll give me antibiotics right before the baby's born. So, you know. So these were all the results. My CBC, HIV, all that stuff. Everything was normal. Even my hemoglobin was 13 points. People in the labor room were so surprised. Oh, wow, 13.2. A pregnant woman with that high. Even got to 14 points at some point. That's funny. And then my HIV non-reactive. Let's go back to GBS. So, as of the 1st of December, everything else, all the STDs or whatever you call those things, were negative, except the GBS. Just like my second born. And then I got antibiotics during induction with him. So that regular stuff. That's the only one who had positive. Also, the specialist doctor had told me my placenta shifted by 2 cm. So it was already 0 and then minus 2 cm. So I was cleared already for vaginal delivery. And then today my doctor also told me, in the previous video, that we can schedule for induction on the 26th of December if there is a date, because it's a day after Christmas. So that's it. But cleared for vaginal delivery. That placenta shifted from covering by 2 cm, shifted by 1 cm, then it was 0, and then shifted upward 2 cm up, at least 2 cm up. So it was cleared by specialists, and then that was my last visit with the specialist. And then I'll see my doctor in 2 weeks, and then on the 39, and when I'm 39, no, just when I'm 37 weeks, and then 38 weeks. Thank you for watching.